Hi everyone, in this video we will solve an algebra problem which involves surds. Now the problem is given as a square root of 7 minus root 15 minus a square root of 16 minus 2 square root of 15. Now it's better to solve the inner one first, so let's try to simplify this one. Now in most of the cases the expression that is given inside a square root is usually a perfect square. In most of the cases you will find that this is a perfect square. So let's see if this is a perfect square or not. So 16 minus 2 root 15. Now how can I make it a perfect square? So usually this term gives you a hint. We have 2. Now we can do it like 2ab, right? So this can be a minus b whole square if I am able to break this. And this would give me a square plus b square minus 2ab. So this a square plus b square would map to this one 16, and this minus 2ab would be 2 root 15. So how can I break root 15 into a and b? So let's say if we use root 15 and root 1. Now cross check this one. Can I write this as root 15 square plus 1 root 1? That would be 1 only, right? So you can directly write it as 1 square. So this would give us 15 plus 1 16. So this satisfies it, right? So can we write this whole as root 15 minus 1 whole square? Now this expression would become root of 7 minus root 15 minus root 15 minus 1 whole square of square root. So this square root would get cancelled out. So we can write this as 7 minus root 15 minus root 15 plus 1. So we can write this as 8 minus 2 root 15 of square root. Now again the same thing. Most likely this would be a perfect square again. Now our job is to identify how we can write this as a perfect square. So again, how can I break root 15 into two terms, a and b, so that a square plus b square is 8. This would be a square plus b square. Then I can write this as a minus b whole square, right? So let's say if I take root 15 to root 5 and root 3. Let's say I split this into two parts, root 5 and root 3. So can I write 8 as root 5 square plus root 3 square? Yes, right? 5 plus 3, that would be 8. So this is nothing but root 5 minus root 3 whole square and square root. So this would give us 5 plus 3 8 minus 2 root a 2ab 2 root 5 into root 3 2 root 15. So from here we can write root 5 minus root 3. So this is our answer. Now you can use the values root 5 value and root 3 and you can subtract them. I am not going to do that. Okay. So I hope you got the method. In most of such problems you will always resort to how to make it a perfect square, the expression inside a square root, and we will proceed that way. And if you have nested expressions, then you will try to solve from inner one first and then outer one. That way you can solve most of the problems. I hope you got this. Let's meet in some other video. You can subscribe to our channel as well. We will solve some more questions. Thank you.